Now I'm done with the Santa card. Could you guys do it? Now I'm going to make the angel. Hi everybody, my name is Lilly Anna. Today I'm doing craft. I'm making a Santa card to write a letter what you want for Christmas this year. And I'm making an angel today to hang it on the Christmas tree behind my back. See, I will show you. First, I want to show you how to write Santa's letter to send to Santa. See, you could write what you want for Christmas this year. So, all you have to do is you have to find the paper like skin color and cut it like this. See? And you have to cut this like a triangle paper, red one. You have to find that to make a Santa face. So we need skin color. You have to cut this like a triangle for the hat. And glue these together. See, that is how we do it. Now I'm gonna glue it like this. See, guys? And then stick it right here. Oh, it doesn't stick. One more time. Okay, now I stick. Flip and stick. Now I have googly eye to make Santa eye. Maybe the big ones, 2 big ones. If you do the big one, you have to do 2 big ones. If you do the small one, you have to do 2 small ones. So we're gonna glue it. I'm gonna take 2 out, make sure they're the same size, and glue it on the back. See? And then we're going to stick it right here. See? And we do the same thing. So if you don't remember, just glue it back to the eye and put it right here. See? Do you like it? This is how I do it. See? And the googly eye will make it fun because if you shake it, the eye shakes. See? Now we need pom-pom. I'm gonna take the orange one. It looks kind of reddish. Now I'm gonna take it out. But I don't think I want to glue it on the pom-pom because it's kind of soft. See? I think something's gonna stick to the glue. So I'm gonna just do this. See? I'm gonna stick it right here. Now I put it right here. You could know that this is for the nose, for Santa's nose. Now we're gonna do the beard. We use the fluffy cotton to do the beard. So Santa's beard is white, so we need white ones. So we're gonna glue it. But first it has to start out a mustache and turn into a beard. Now Mommy help me to put this here. And because right here it's stickier than the other glue. It's this glue. It's very good glue because the good thing is it sticks very good. I'm gonna put it carefully like this. See? This is how it comes out. You see everybody?
So cute.
Yeah. It's so fluffy and white and bright. Mommy helped me to glue, and I also know where to put it all I put it is right here. I think I have to roll it. And then I put it here.
I think you don't have to roll it.
Oh, I thought I have to. And then put it right here.
But we have to roll
All around. Are you helping? But Levi, you are just a little baby. You don't know how to help. Levi? No. And I think this is the last one. Yeah, I'm right. It's the last one. This is how it comes out. See? It looks kind of fun because of the googly eyes. You know what's fun about it? Remember, when you shake it, look how this black thing shakes. See? It come out good. My mommy already glued for me already, so I just put it like this. See? See? Now we cut the paper like this. It's very easy for the back of the hanger. Because see right here, we need to copy that one. And we also need to glue each other like this. See? Very easy. Ta-da! We are done. It got the hanger. See, we could hang on the Christmas tree behind my back. But before we hang on the Christmas tree, we have to write. Because my parents told me that Santa is gonna come tonight and see what we want for Christmas this year. If we are a good kid, he's gonna buy us what we want. What do I write for Santa? What do I want for Santa? Dear Santa, I have been a very good girl. See, now I'm finished my writing. See, now I could hang on the Christmas tree.
Oh, beautiful letter.
Thank you. Now I want to write for my brother and sister because they don't know how to write the letter for Santa. Now I'm writing all of them for my sibling. This is for me. This is for my brother Levi. This is for my little sister Lydia. Now I'm done with the Santa card. Could you guys do it? Now I'm going to make the angel. And the Santa look easy. Oh, Levi wants to play with that. But be careful not to rip it. Okay? Now it's time to make angel. And angel is more easier than Santa because all you need is just white piece of paper. Make sure it's blank like this. First you need to fold it half and half. Okay? Now we put the ruler in the middle. It could be inches or centimeters, doesn't matter. And then we rip it. But do not hold the ruler gently. I don't think it's gonna work. So it works like this. See? So you have to fold it until it's very, very, very skinny. Or you could just follow this. Actually, I'm not following. One more, and I am done. Now we do the same thing with this paper. Just fold it nicely. Now I'm done folding and it becomes like this. See, it looks the same. And they are both the same color too. So you fold like this. One side short and one side longer. This is for the wing. See? This is the dress and this is the wing. And then we're going to stick it together. See? It looks better together. Now we have to glue it and put together. My mom glued already. And connect this way. Make sure it's not crooked. And ta-da! Now we glued the wing too, both of the sides. Here and here. See? Oh, I'll do it again. Just like this, and let's see if it good. Come out good. See? Looking nice and very creative. Easy, but also creative. Now we use the circle. We use the baby bottle cover and we draw around to make a perfect circle.
For the face?
Yep, we're doing the face. See how it comes out? And now we're gonna cut it. Now we've cut it already. See? It looks very perfect.
For the face angel?
Yep. See? I already tried. Do you like it?
Oh, beautiful.
So, I got a purple, a pink, and yellow. They both look beautiful. That is why I picked them. And I'm going to glue it right here. Make sure I have space. And you glue it right here. See where I put it? That is where you glue. But we're not done yet. See, this one has this, but that one doesn't have it yet. To hang on the Christmas tree. Ta-da! I'm done! Now I'm actually done, but I want to make a few more to hang on the Christmas tree. Yay! Well done!
Yeah!
Do you like it? I think this one is for me, this one is for Lydia, this one was for Levi. I'm right. See? Me. I know it's Lydia. Where is it? Oh, it's here, Lydia. See? I'm right. Oh. And this one is Levi.
Good job, honey.
Thank you.
Oh, so beautiful.
Blue, yellow, and 3 colors. It's pink, purple, and yellow, and pink. Again, like this, and orange. Orange like this. Santa's nose.
Good job. So you can hang on the Christmas tree right now.
Yay! I'm gonna hang the angels first because it's even more beautiful. Nice. Now I'm doing it this one right here. And this beautiful pink one is going to be right with this ornament. And bunny. And what's next is blue and yellow. Let's put the other blue one next to this nice ornament. Another one. Now one here. Next, another one. Right. Let's see this baby angel. Red, green, and blue. 3 colors. Yeah, just like I got here. 3 colors. But not the same color. Hi guys, it's fun and easy to do it, right? And I hope you guys could do it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video, please. Levi, you want to come and play with me? So don't forget to subscribe. So next video, I'll show you how to do this. It's fun and easy. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. All my friends, the runner, one horse open sleigh.